Before using your nail drill, make sure to read the manual and understand its basic parameters and usage to avoid any mishaps. If your nail drill is rechargeable, remember to fully charge its battery before use and recharge when it's at 20 to 30% capacity to prolong battery life. Don't overcharge or use while charging to prevent damage to the battery. This keeps your nail drill healthy and ready for action. People sometimes forget the importance of the handpiece. The motor and bearings are in it. So avoid dropping or hitting it to prevent damage and ensure proper function. To achieve the best results, choose the appropriate speed and bit for your nail drill based on your needs. Also, keep in mind that the lifespan of your drill is affected by how often and how intensely it's used. High frequency and prolonged use can cause faster wear and tear on the motor. Whether during or after use, keep your nail drill, handpiece, and workspace dry to prevent moisture from entering the machine. Let's keep that nail drill in tip-top shape. First, dust off the surface with a brush. After each use, clean and sanitize the bits to ensure hygiene and safety. For cleaning, you can use plain water, leave them in acetone for a few minutes, or use a sanitizing box. Finally, regularly inspect the drill parts for any wear or looseness and repair or replace them as needed. All right, I hope you've learned the tips. See you next time.